Liane Richardson is now officially the former Lane County Administrator. The Board of Commissioners made the unanimous decision today. KZI 9 News reporter Liane is live in the studio with all the details. Now,
Matt, the commissioners spent nearly 2 hours in a private discussion before they finally came to a decision. Commissioners say it has not been an easy process, and it's not over just yet.
We fought against wealth and privilege.
People were out early this morning at the Lane County Public Service Building, voicing their distaste for a number of government happenings, including the continued payment of Liane Richardson, the highlight of the public comments portion of the morning's commissioners meeting.
I've never heard more public outrage at a public official anywhere ever, and I'm from New York City. I met a man in the library yesterday, 79 years old, lifelong Lane County resident, says Liane Richardson's most corrupt public official he's ever seen in his entire life.
The first portion of the meeting didn't last long before the board decided to break for their private discussion.
The Lane County Board of Commissioners will now meet in an executive session.
The board spent nearly 2 hours discussing and reviewing the independent investigator's findings. The report showed Richardson had indeed violated county policy regarding her pay.
All in favor of the motion, please say aye.
Aye.
Aye. Opposed?
Giving them cause for termination. Per the terms of her contract, Richardson is still entitled to 2 weeks' pay and accumulated paid vacation and sick leave. The board says it can't say much now, but it hopes the public sees it's trying to do right by them.
It's not based on hearsay, but based on actual facts. And as we go forward, everything's got to be in order. And you know, I think people have an expectation we're going to get this, make sure we get the process right. And that's my expectation as well.
And for the rest of us, that means little will be said about what the next move will be. The board says this is all in an effort to protect all the parties involved. Now, we did also try to reach Richardson for a comment, but have not yet heard back. In the meantime, Alicia Hayes, Director of Health and Human Services, will continue to serve as acting administrator. Live in the studio, Liane, KZI 9 News.